Yes, reduction. So why to learn Vedic math? Before going to this, why to learn Vedic math? Anyone tell me the difference between normal mathematics and Vedic math?
Sir, it helps to solve a long question in a short period of time.
Okay.
Sir, we can solve the problem
Basically,
faster.
Conventional.
so it's basically the tricks.
Yeah, okay.
It helps us to solve a big question in a short manner or shortly, like in a less time.
Okay. Just a second. What you said so far? Number one. Lasya, what is your point?
Sir, we can solve a question
This
in
one.
very less time.
Okay.
The long division questions or anything, we can solve it easily in a short time. Before the time limit.
Okay.
Or
And
we can
the other
solve
points?
the problem faster.
Normal problems faster is nothing but less time only. No? Taking less time is nothing but faster.
So tricks.
Okay, just let me add that faster also for this. And tricks.
Yes, sir, tricks.
Okay. Anyone want to add something? Some more points?
Some mentally calculation.
Good. Okay.
Sir, we can use this in our competitive exams with
Okay. Competitive. Okay. Any more points? How many are there? 8 members are there, only 4 points. And including me, 8, I think. More 3 points. Who are they?
Sir, it's a bit similar to abacus.
Bit similar to abacus. Okay. And OIC, anything to add? Ronit? Siddharth?
Sir, I told tricks.
Okay. Advay?
Yes.
Advay Singh?
Yes, sir.
Any point you want to add any point?
No, sir.
No. You already have an idea, and in your own way you can tell something. Okay, Lasya, coming to your point, is it always will take less time?
No, sir, not always.
Sorry, not always, but tell me where it will and where it will not.
Sir, the thing is, we need to understand first how to solve it. Like,
okay, suppose you have understood everything, and always it will give a solution in less time. After understanding only, I'm asking, suppose. No, okay. So actually, you need to categorize the mathematical questions in this way. So specific and general. Okay. So Vedic math tricks are helpful, best suitable for this specific type, for particular situations. For some particular situations, Vedic math techniques, even as you said, mentally also you can tell the answers. Mentally also you can tell the answers. And almost all the tricks are for specific types only. Almost, not 100%. Almost all the types are specific type only. And for general, it will take somewhat less time than conventional. Somewhat less time than conventional for general. Okay, but not best. For specific, it is the best. So what are that specific and what is this general, and we'll see. So after 2-3 slides. Okay, let me explain these points. First time you are learning means you should know why here I have kept is why Vedic math. What is the need of learning this Vedic math? What is the need? See the uses of Vedic math. It helps a person to solve maths problems nearly 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods in specific situations. In specific situations, 10 to 15 times faster means, have you understood this one? Suppose there is a mathematical question, and to solve this mathematical question, you have taken 60 minutes of time. Okay. To solve a mathematical question, you have taken, 60 minutes. No, not 60 minutes, 60 seconds of time. 60 seconds means?
Sir, 1 minute.
So 1 minute.
1 minute means to solve a mathematical question, you have taken 1 minute time. For the same question, if you apply Vedic math tricks, so in what time you'll get the solution?
Sir, maybe 30 seconds.
No, see this point and tell 10 to 15 times faster. Means 60 by 10. How much?
Sir, 6, sir.
6 seconds. Or 60 by 15. How much?
So 5.
Sir, 4,
4.
sir.
15 fours
4.
are.
So 4.
Okay. So that means using Vedic math, you can solve the same question in 4 to 6 seconds. So means within what we can say 4 to 6
Within 10
seconds is even within 10 seconds only. So that is why it is very fast, as last year said. And some other also added point of faster. It is faster because of this point. So using Vedic math techniques, we can solve the mathematical questions 10 to 15 times faster than the conventional methods. But that is for some specific situations only. If it is not specific situation, if it is a general situation, then also it will not take this much time, 60 seconds, but it will take some less time only, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. Okay. See the second point, it helps in intelligent guessing. So if you keep on practicing these Vedic math tricks, so you will be guessing what will happen, what may happen in the next step further, what may happen. Intelligent guessing. And see the third point, it reduces the burden. So while solving mathematical questions, I think you
Sir,
people,
what's the burden?
burden means stress.
Okay, sir.
Have anyone felt that stress while solving mathematical questions?
Sir, a bit.
No, sir, we just felt hard.
Hard means you are feeling hard means you are feeling stress only, na?
Sir, a bit.
Sir,
If you
In some
enjoy solving,
situations, sir.
if you enjoy solving mathematical questions, then it is not a burden, or it is not stressful.
Sir, a bit stressed, sir.
Yeah, even that much stress will not be there using Vedic math tricks. But the requirement for that is by learning tables up to 9. Minimum 9 tables you should be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Minimum 9 tables. Minimum, I'm saying minimum 9 tables you should be ready with that. Okay, next is, it is a magical tool that reduces scratch work and finger count. So generally when you are learning mathematics for the first time, so you will be counting fingers, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
To add
Yes, sir.
7 plus 2 by taking 7 fingers readily.
Sir,
Let
even
me
as
show.
waiting, sir, that also I use fingers to calculate the
Yeah.
small pulses.
By take Yeah, by taking 7 fingers readily, and +2 if I say, then 2 more, and now counting all the fingers. What if 10 fingers are completed? Then toes.
Sir, we can't do it.
Leg.
Next.
We'll take the help. Yeah, we'll take the help of leg fingers. What if those fingers are also completed? We'll take the help of friend fingers.
Hand.
No, our friend will be there. We'll take the help from.
Sir, if his fingers are also. Sir, I can't hear you.
Our friend should not be. So scratch work means it is. Can't hear you. Can't hear me. Just a
No,
second.
no, I can hear, sir.
Okay. So what is meant by this scratch work? Scratch work is nothing but rough work. Rough work, even rough work also we can eliminate. Okay, and that is why it is mentioned here magical tool. There is no magic in getting the answer in 4 to 6 seconds or nearly 10 seconds. There is no magic, but it is a magical tool. Next, if you keep on practicing these Vedic math techniques, it will increase your concentration levels. Okay, so just this is the first class and you have joined today, and you will be interesting, suppose, and slowly by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2-3 days or 1 week, 10 days. Suppose if you are not practicing these techniques, whatever we are covering daily, if you are not, if you don't practice these techniques, then no
Sir,
use
will
of
forget.
no use of learning
Learning.
this Vedic maths. So you have to keep on practicing on daily basis. That will automatically increase your concentration levels. And the same thing will be helpful for other subjects also. Yes or no? If you
Yes, sir.
improve your concentration levels, automatically that will be useful for other subjects also.
Yes, sir.
Next, it helps in reducing silly mistakes automatically, obviously, right? If your concentration level increased, means automatically silly mistakes will be reduced. You can reduce your silly mistakes. And next is, it helps in improving mental ability. Mental ability means using brain. Using brain, right?
Yes, sir.
Mental ability means brain's capacity. So you can improve your brain capacity and the reasoning skills and logical skills. You can means if I say one point, you may think the same thing in different directions. That is nothing but logical thinking and reasoning thinking. And lastly, analytical skills. Analytical means if I say anything, then you will be analyzing all those things. So it helps in improving mental ability, reasoning skills, logical skills, and analytical skills. And next is, it is fast, efficient, and easy to learn. And not only easy to learn, it is also easy to use also. Usage also, it is very easy. Yes or no? Anything learning easy is not sufficient. Using easy also needed, required. Yes or no? And I can add one more point here. It is fast, efficient, and easy to learn, as well as easy to forget also. Understood what I said? Easy to learn and easy to forget also if you don't practice them on a regular basis. Please respond. Understood or not, everyone? What I have mentioned, the point just now, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Easy to learn and
use.
easy to forget. The tricks you are learning, they are very easy to learn and they are very easy to forget. But for this one, there is a condition. What is that condition? Lasya, what is the condition?
Sir, to
regular practice. If you don't do regular practice, then it is very easy to forget.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Soumya? Soumya, are you there?
Soumya.
Soumya. Everyone has to respond. This is not one-way class. Two sides, two-way. Everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone. All of you. Advik, Anita, OYC.
Yes, yes, sir.
Who is speaking?
Yes, sir.
Let me see all of you once. Advik Singh. Okay. Anita. OYC, turn on camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Turn on your camera, Anita.
Yes, sir. Dimna, एक अपनी वीडियो बनाओ.
Okay. All of you have to respond. Okay. For each and every question, everyone have to respond.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anita, Muhammad, Owaisi, Advik, Advait Singh, Lasya, Siddharth, and Advaita. Okay. So you may keep your camera on or off. That is not means a matter for me. That is not matter for me. But you have to respond to my questions immediately. That will be matter. Okay. Okay, right. And what is one more point? In most of the cases, it gives one line solution, one line answer, whereas conventional method requires several steps. Yes or no? While solving mathematical questions, you will do step by step, next step, next step, next step. But in most of the cases, using Vedic math tricks, we will get one line answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself and unmute yourself immediately. Whenever you want to answer, you can unmute yourself. Okay. So now you have, you're aware why you are learning this Vedic math. Yes or no? Just tell me your points now. Why you want to learn Vedic math tricks? Siddharth, you tell me your point. Why you are learning this Vedic math?
So you should learn Vedic maths because it is the work can be done more faster than conventional methods.
Good, very good. And tell me your point, Lasya. Why you want to learn Vedic math?
Sir, actually, daily life, the normal maths, the things are explaining in very long method that's becoming a burden or a headache for us. Vedic
Okay.
maths help us to learn it short, and also it makes easy work to do fast.
Yeah, very good.
Exams we can do in small methods.
Very good. Mohammed, you tell me why you want to learn Vedic math.
Vedic math. Vedic math is easy to solve.
Easy to solve which questions? Science or social?
Easy to solve one line answers.
Okay. But which subject? Social studies or science?
Vedic math.
Vedic math only, but there is no subject of Vedic math in your academics, no? But still, what is the use of this learning this Vedic maths? Do you have Vedic math in your school?
To improve mathematics.
Yeah, very good, very good. To improve your mathematics, these Vedic math techniques are mandatory. Okay, good. And Anita, you tell me your point.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Tell me why you want to learn Vedic math.
sir, I can under सर मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया था तो मेरे को पता नहीं था कि आप
No, no, no. Just I'm asking casually. Tell me why you want to learn Vedic math. Okay, okay. So see, you are learning Vedic math to improve your mathematical skills. Okay. Whatever you are learning in your school, they are conventional mathematics, conventional tricks. Conventional means general step-by-step procedure ways. But these Vedic tricks will give you one-line solution for those conventional methods. So there may be many steps in your school mathematical question solving, but here in Vedic math, those many steps will not be there. Directly will get the answer. Okay. Tell me your point, Advik Singh. Why you want to learn Vedic math?
Sir, it increases our concentration.
Very good. Very good. To increase your concentration. So that means you have to promise me you will practice daily. Tell me.
Sir, I promise you I will practice Vedic math daily.
Very good. Very good. And Advik Singh. Advik Singh. Tell me why you want to learn Vedic math. What is the purpose?
Sir, to
To do what?
sir, to calculate mentally.
Okay. To calculate mentally means you want to use your brain much. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good. And who is left? Soumya, why you are leaving the class?
Sir, I'm left, sir.
Advait. Okay, okay. Tell me, what is your point? Means why you want to learn Vedic math?
Sir, I want to learn Vedic maths because I want to do the maths problems in a short period of time.
Okay, right. Most of you told the same point. Means you want to solve your mathematical questions in a faster way, in a less steps, in a less solution, right? Yes or no? Most of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But let me ask one question here. Will your school teacher accept your one-line solution in your school? Will
No,
will he or she give you full marks for that particular question?
No, sir.
Then why you want to learn?
Sir,
You know,
just for you need to write the
Competitive.
process in exam, but in for
Sir,
like what
sir,
we do is we write the question, like we write the like if it's a word problem, we write the sentences according to the word problem. Then we
okay.
think like we should we do addition, should we do subtraction? If we do subtraction, what's the answer and all? So basically, for doing that
Whatever my question
easier,
here is,
for doing that those things easier, we need to learn Vedic maths.
my question here is,
sir like we can learn the steps, sir. Firstly, we should after seeing the question, we need to come to a point that okay, I know this question, I can solve it this way. The answer at least we should need to understand about the
okay.
steps. We can keep aside first. We need to get the answer. What is it? We need to come to a point.
Okay, but anyway, if you solve it step by step, also you will get your answer. Then why to know the answer early before solving the question?
Sir, because like
And that
I
is
faced
extra
a lot
time.
of
That will take
issues.
extra time in your exam hall.
Yes, sir. Like I faced a lot of issues. Like I know everything answer. I will be so confident. But after going to the exam hall, after seeing the question, I will think that I know this question, but I won't get the right answer for that. I lose marks for that.
Okay, okay. Means even after solving your conventional solution, you want to check your answer with these Vedic tricks. Okay,
Sir,
okay.
basically 2 years ago, like 2 years or 3 years ago, I learned some Vedic math skills. So
Mhm.
basically, I forgot because I didn't practice it at all.
Yes, just now I am
And
mentioning repeatedly. I am mentioning the same thing now.
yes, sir. Last time I didn't know much, so I know only basics, sir. Last time what I did is when the time was to given to read the question paper, I used
Mhm.
to like it's easy for us like in the reading question paper. Once you're reading with the questions, they actually give 20 minutes or 15 minutes for reading the paper. So in that time, you can easily just write the answer and just write the answer in the paper, and then when the answer sheet is given and you when start your exam, it will be easy for you. Only
Hmm.
write the steps and then what are the procedures and then the answer, that will be easy.
Okay, but you don't need to write all those steps for these questions, no? Means using these tricks, no? You
No,
want to
sir,
verify
just
your answer again?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Cross-checking purpose. Okay. Let me tell you the main purpose of this one. As you said, that is also correct. For your academics also, you can verify your answer whether that is correct or not. So using these Vedic tricks. And the second main important thing is, all of you are in which class? Mostly you are from
Grade 5.
Sir,
5, 8, 7,
7.
and then 6 maybe. So means 5 to 8. So those who are there in class 5, from class 5 onwards, after completion of class 5 onwards, your entrance exams and competitive exams will be started, right?
Yes,
Some
sir.
entrance exams and some competitive exams will be started from class 5 onwards, class 5 completion of class 5 onwards, competitive exams. So this is majorly helpful for this one. For any entrance exam, objective type questions will be there. Descriptive type will not be there. Objective type will be there. Objective type means there will be a question. Number one, this is the question. And this is option A, this is option B, this is option C, and option D. Means I don't need your solution. I don't need your approach also. I just need option. Which option is correct? So option A or
Sir, in
option B or option C.
Olympiads.
Like in Olympiads also. Yes. Okay, competitive exam means Olympiad only, no? Entrance exams means it can be for some um, big
Sir, to go
big
to
schools or international schools or some competitive side. Okay, and competitive exams means Olympiads. And in future you have an exam NTSC also. NTSC, National Talent Search Exam. This is a central government scholarship exam. They will provide you scholarship till your PhD, till completion of PhD, doctorate. Okay, starting from class 11, they will provide still till until your PhD. Okay, for this type, we don't need solution. We don't need steps, sir. We directly need the answer. So which option is correct? So for this type of questions, these techniques, Vedic techniques are very much helpful. One line solution, one line answer. Okay. So in these two purposes, you are learning this Vedic math. Okay. Whenever you are learning something new, we should learn why it is, what is the need of learning this one. And the second is history of that thing, from where this subject came. Okay. See the history of Vedic math. So Vedic mathematics is a system of reasoning, mathematical working based ancient Indian teachings, that is called Vedas. So now we are learning from uh, what? From play school onwards, right? Firstly, play school. After that, nursery, LKG, and then UKG. After that, we'll start our class 1, 2, 3.
4.
Okay, this is the approach nowadays. But earlier, our ancient Indians, what they have learned, they don't have this class wise, class 1, after that class 2, after that class 3. They don't have this class wise. What are their teachings? Means what are their learnings? They
So
will learn
Vedas.
only Vedas. Yes. How many Vedas are there?
So for
Yeah, there are 4 Vedas. Can anyone name those 4 Vedas?
so Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samar Veda, and Atharva Veda.
Samaveda. Samaveda
Samaveda, Atharva
and
Veda.
Atharva Veda. Yes, correct. Rigveda, Rigveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda, and one more is
Yajur Veda.
Yajurveda. So these are the 4 learnings everyone will learn, and that is called their education. That's all. So this Vedic math is a part of these Vedas only, and means it is already there in Vedas, and it is rediscovered. He has not discovered these things, he has rediscovered. Means Vedas is a big thing. Vedas is a big thing, and a normal person may not understand those Vedas. And what this person, who is this person? Who is the person? Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji has did one job. What is that job? He has collected all the things related to mathematics, and he had written a book that is called Vedic Mathematics. Okay, he has rediscovered this Vedic maths from Vedas only in this duration. In what duration? 1911 to 1918. Between 1911 and 1918, he has segregated and he has collected these things, and he had written a book that is called Vedic Mathematics. Actually, it is a Vedic mathematics. We call it as Vedic mathematics. Okay, and according to that person, according to that Tirthaji, all of Vedic maths is based on just 16 sutras. Sutra.
So as of my knowledge, it's like kind of like some mantras or something.
Sanskrit word, and it's in English we can say formula. Sutra is
Yes, sir.
nothing but formula. So we know one formula, right? A plus B whole square, right? Yes or no? A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB
B square.
plus B square. That is a formula. So likewise, he also have given just 16 sutras, means just 16 formulae, but they are word formulae. They are like word formulae. Means ekadikena purvena, by one more than the one before. Okay. Likewise, he has given some 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras also. So 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras. The total, these 16 sutras only coming under Vedic mathematics. And it is an ancient technique. Vedic maths is an ancient technique which simplifies arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications, divisions, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, and then algebraic operations also. So anyone, do you know the difference between arithmetical operations and algebraic operations?
Sir,
Arithmetic and
algebra
algebra.
consists of letters and like the other one, what you said, consists of numbers.
Arithmetical.
It's arithmetical
Arithmetic.
consists of numbers and algebraic expressions also consist of variables, constants, and that are also called letters.
Yeah. So let me explain you with a simple example. Like, tell me, 3 plus 5 is how much?
Sir, 8.
8. Okay, let me ask the same question in another way. 3 plus dash is 8.
Sir, 5.
5.
Sir, 5.
5.
5.
So what is the difference here? For this equal to,
Sir,
yeah, for
like
this
in the
equal to,
algebraic, they will give it a jumbled way.
Sir, algebraic is a form of fill in the blanks.
okay, is a form of fill in the blanks. Okay. See, 3 is a known thing or not known?
Sir, none, sir.
Known thing. 5,
None, sir.
known thing. So means 3 plus 5 is also known. So, but after equal to, this is an empty space. Empty space means a known thing or not unknown thing?
Sir, unknown.
Unknown thing means we are moving from known to unknown or unknown to known.
Known to unknown.
So known to unknown is nothing but arithmetic. Simple example.
Yes, sir.
Just a second.
Sir, and in algebraic is it unknown to known?
Yeah, very good. So in algebraic 3 is known, but 5 is unknown. From this unknown, we are finding this known thing. So in your mathematics, in your academic mathematics, so what you will do, 3 plus this space, we'll take it as x with the help of letters, as Siddharth said. Siddhant. Okay,
Yes, sir.
3 plus x equal to 8. And this 3 is positive on this side. If it comes to the right side, so automatically that 3 will be negative 3. So means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5.
5.
In that way, we will get x as 5. So means this empty space is
So
space is
basically
5.
finding the value of unknown.
Finding the value of unknown. So means unknown to known. We are finding the value of x. Value of x is unknown firstly. So later on we are finding this one. Means we are coming to the known side. So simply we can say arithmetic operation means known to unknown. Algebraic operations means unknown to known. So what are the arithmetical operations? Basic arithmetical operations are like additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, etc. So we are going to see in our Vedic math classes, we are going to see everything here: addition, subtraction, divisions, multiplications, even squares, square roots also, cubes, cube roots also. Okay. And using these techniques, it is not only helpful for arithmetic operations, it is also helpful for algebraic operations also. And not only for algebraic operations, recurring decimals and auxiliary fractions also. Auxiliary fractions means whatever the fraction is in which form? P by Q form, right? Whatever the
Yes, sir.
fraction that is having 9s in the denominator. So it can be 19, or it can be 9, or it can be 99, or it can be 998 divided by some number divided by 99, some number divided by 998. 90. So means any fraction having 9s in the denominator is called an auxiliary fraction. So means in divisions, we are going to see all these types of cases also.
So basically in Vedic maths, an auxiliary fraction is a technique used to simplify division problems.
Yeah, divisions only. Fraction is
Sir,
nothing but division only,
can
no?
you repeat the point again, sir?
Fraction itself is a division. Yeah, what are you saying, Lasya?
Sir, can you repeat the point again, sir? Which will be in the denominator 9 will be.
A fraction having 9 in the denominator. In the denominator part, if there is a 9, at least 1 9, minimum 1 9. There may be more number of 9s also, but at least if there is 1 9, it is called an auxiliary fraction. It is there on the screen. See, auxiliary fraction. So even we will see this type of questions also. Okay. Just let me show the names of these sutras. So I'll share this PDF with you and you can read them one by one. And actually in our classes, we will not go sutra by sutra. We will go by operation by operation. Means first we will see additions. And then we'll see subtractions. And then we'll see multiplications. Okay, and then we'll see divisions. After that, we'll start squares. After that, square roots, and then cubes, and then cube roots. So this is the sequence we follow in our classes. Okay, as and when the sutra comes, I'll mention that sutra name. Okay, we'll go operation by operation. But these sutras are just to know what is the sutra name. So ekadikena purvena means by one more than the one before. Nikhilam Navatah Charmam Dashataha means all from 9 and last from 10. This is very famous. Not the total sutra name. is not that much famous, but only this part is very famous. Nikhilam. Okay. And after that, Urdhva Triyakbhyam. Paravati Yojayat. I'll share this PDF. You can read them. And there is no use of remembering these sutra names. Applications are important. Sutra names are not that much important. Okay. Class is still 9-10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll meet in the next class. Actually, we have not started any question solving today. We have just seen an introduction of Vedic maths only. So in the next class onwards, we are going to start additions. Sutra by sutra, operation by operation. We are going to start additions in the first beginning class.
Sir, daily
Yes.
we'll have a class at this time.
Daily, I don't know, but after 2-3 days, after few days, they are planning weekly 3 days or 2 days, 2 to 3 days.
Sir, we also have that
Mental ability.
PD classes also at 8:30.
Okay, okay. 8:30 of what day?
Sir, the day is not released, sir. That's why.
Same way for Vedic math also. Days have not confirmed yet, and they will confirm. Management part will see that part.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. By the time you just go through the points again, why we are learning and what is the history of Vedic math and what are the sutra names and sub sutra names. I'll share this PDF with you in the group also. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, can we write these notes?
you want to write? If you want to write, you can write it. I think it is better to keep a separate notes for Vedic maths. Okay, I suggest you to keep a separate notes for Vedic math and